Hey guys, this is kind of a random video, but I wanted to make this because it could be super helpful if you guys are actually doing YouTube and how to have a quick and easy sort of filming setup. If you just want to use your iPhone for filming and the rear-facing camera, but the issue is you don't actually have a viewfinder and you don't know what you're seeing. So right now I'm using my front-facing camera. The quality's not as good. Using a built-in lavalier microphone or wireless mic. So here's a quick tip to use your MacBook, if you have one, to get a quick viewfinder. So I'll show you how to do this. And you'll get nice sort of talking head shots like this, add some B-roll on top, and you could have a pretty cool filming setup right from the go and for cheap. So let's hop right into it. So guys, the key with this setup is that you have to be running iOS 16 on your iPhone, and it's a feature called continuity camera. Basically, what allows your laptop to do is access your iPhone's main camera, like the main wide angle lens, or wide lens, and it basically uses that as a webcam and an input into your laptop, both the camera and also the microphone. So what I use this USB-C adapter right here for my wireless microphone. And of course the MacBook comes with USB Type-C ports. So I can plug that in. I can select in settings, in sound settings, if I just go to sound, why is it so hard? I'm just gonna do the other way, blind. Sound settings. You can literally go in here and select your input. Right now it's on built-in microphone. Okay, there we go. Now it pops up as USB microphone. Now it's coming directly from my mic, so my MacBook can actually recognize it. So now what we can do is we can go over to photo booth. As you can see, it's just using my webcam right now to record. But if you hold it, if you go into camera, and it's not gonna do this because I'm filming on my iPhone, but you should come to camera and it should show up as iPhone. And once you do that, then it's gonna actually take the film from your camera and it's gonna basically look 1,000 times better than this like cheap 720p MacBook Air webcam. So it's the best of both worlds because I'm using this dongle, I'm using this wireless mic right here so I get good audio. And yeah, and we have a viewfinder when we're actually recording because we're using photo booth, or you can use another application, but you can click record. Now you have the viewfinder, you can see what you're actually looking at because previously you can only look at the camera, you can't use your iPhone screen to actually use this viewfinder. So once you have that, you have the viewfinder, you have the good audio, you have the good camera quality, you can basically record talking head shots, and I am now gonna show you a sample of what that actually looks like. You guys can be the judge, and yeah, if you guys found this video useful, you know what to do. Okay, so this would be a filming setup if I were to be filming on my iPhone, and this is sort of a talking headshot. Let me know how this looks and sounds if you guys think it's any good. If it is, it's pretty nice because once I record this, and the audio is going directly from my mic, my camera, it's going directly into my MacBook. So that's pretty cool. I think this is 30 frames per second, but let me know how this looks and sounds, and I can literally just take this film, put it in my laptop, and then I can edit right on my laptop, and the quality is insane. Okay, so now this is a sample recording of me using my MacBook Air as the viewfinder. Currently switched over to OBS because I could customize everything a lot more. In settings, so you're listening to the audio through my USB 2.0 wireless mic. It's plugged into my Mac. I went to settings, control center here on my MacBook Air, and you can go to video effects and turn on portrait so you get that nice blurry background right now, so it's all focused on my face. You can also turn on studio light, you can do desk view. You can also do, if I go in here, you can also do center stage, so it'll like track you back and forth. But the main gist of this video, guys, is look how good this looks. This looks even better than my Insta-Link or Insta360 Link webcam, which costs $300. My iPhone camera has better quality, better sharpness, better contrast, better, I don't know, better color temperature in my opinion too, better saturation than that webcam that costs $300. So there's no really excuses for not being able to film YouTube content. This setup, like in total, is like not really expensive at all. And yeah, Let me know how this looks and sound, guys. If you like this video, like, subscribe, with the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video from Tech with Scott. Hopefully you found this video somewhat helpful, and peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.